Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I will show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. To get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone when it's unfolded. Gonna grab the tool, plop it in here. As you can see where the pin is holding right now. You want to push the pin in, and this pushes out the tray. When you take it out, you will have space for just a single SIM card. So grab it, place it on the tray like so, and then carefully insert it back into your phone. This card should start working right away. What you can see, it's already prompting me to confirm my SIM card pin. So I'm gonna do that, and there we go. And that's about all you need to do. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.